Glycine, alanine, small and light. Values and then pack up tight. Isoleucine joins the ride. Methionine stays inside. Proline bends, it's kinda cool. Phenylalanine plays by the rule. Tryptophan's got a bulky side. Hydrophobic, they all hide. Amino acids sing along. 20 friends, they make us strong. Polar, non-polar, acid, base, building life at every place. Serine, thronine, love, H2O. Tyrosine's got a ring to show. Asparagine and glutamine, with amide groups, they bond just fine. Cystine's got that sulfur link, making bridges strong, don't blink. Amino acids sing along. 20 friends, they make us strong. Polar, non-polar, acid, base, building life at every place. Aspartic acid, glutamate, drop those protons, regulate. Negative charge, they make us spark, helping proteins do their part. Lysine, arginine, super strong. Histidine joins to move along. Positive charge, they bind so tight, keeping proteins working right. Selenocysteine, kinda rare. Pyrrolysine needs special care. Not in every protein's plan, but they help where few things can. Amino acids sing along. Now you know them, can't go wrong. Polar, non-polar, acid, base, keep them locked inside your brain.